So that's the, hold on. That's the other thing I forgot to tell y'all about. I'm about to put this couch back in the van so she don't even know what happened. But like when you do stuff like this, you got, and like you have a spouse, you got to keep them happy, right? So like right now I said she's getting her hair done. You got to do that, right? If she's, oh, I want to get my nails done, I got to do, like, you know what, babe? You deserve it. You go ahead, get your nail. As soon as she leave, you go on Facebook Market, hit that person. Yo, I can actually pick this up right now. I'll be there in 20 minutes. You got to time it like that. You got to be nice with it, because if y'all just sitting in the house, right, and she ain't got nothing to do, she watching TV, whatever, and you're like, babe, I got to go pick up this sofa. Angry. You don't want that. You don't want that. You got to set it up, right? You got to do it so that she's not feeling it. She's getting her hair done right now. I'm over here cleaning up the sofa. If I was doing that while she was watching TV, she'd, babe, come watch this show with me. Come do, even though she fall asleep every show we watch. But it don't matter, because that's family time. And I don't want to take away from the family time, right? So set these things up. Let her go get her hair done, do the nails, all that. Go buy a t-shirt, I don't care, whatever it is. If I can go pick up whatever I gotta pick up, and I could be back around the time that she's back, or even before, even better. But right now, let me put this back before she comes back. Hold on. Put this thing on wide angle so y'all can see how I do that. That's the other thing. You trying to do this without your spouse, you gotta hit the gym a little bit. It's been a while since I've been in there, but I'll be in there sometimes. Gotta be able to pick things up on your own. Get a dolly, hand truck, but they can only help you out but so much. You hear the way I'm breathing. I'm getting older, but I'm still out here.